Hey everybody, welcome to downloading all of the data. This is part 2 from getting the data. In this video, we're going to be downloading all 4 of the CSVs from the Johns Hopkins GitHub repository, and we're going to store them inside of a dictionary that maps the keys from the dictionary to a pandas data frame. And the key will simply be a combination of the group and kind. So the 4 combinations like world cases, world deaths, USA cases, and USA deaths. So this is what exercise 2 tells us to do. So we just finished exercise 1, download data. So that downloads a single CSV. So we can go ahead and use this same code to go ahead and download all of them. So let's go here in the body of the function, and it says to use these constants, groups, and kinds. So we'll say for group in groups. So we're just going to iterate through each one of those, and for kind in kinds. And then we will download the data of, let's see here, group and kind. So group comma kind, and we will save it to a dictionary. So we can just create a dictionary up here, and the key will be a combination of group and kind. So we can use an F string here to interpolate, just means insert within the group and kind. So we're going to iterate through groups, which is world and USA, this tuple, and kinds, which is a tuple of deaths, comma, cases. All right, so group kind over here will be the key, and then we'll get the result from download data. So this is just the function we just wrote, and we will return the dictionary, which is we're just going to be calling data. Okay, so let's see if this works, and it might take a little bit of time. Notice there are no inputs here. We're just given these constant tuples, these sort of like global variables up here. All right, so let's go ahead and run this. And that actually already finished, and we will see that it looks like things worked out. So let's just check all the keys here. World deaths, these are all data frames. World cases, and we could look at USA cases and USA deaths. Okay, and again, what you should be doing is looking at the solutions file to double check your work. And you can see here that it's pretty much the same solution. We just did the body of the for loop inside of here in a single line instead of 2 lines in the solution. So either way, it will work. And remember that if you don't want to use your solution, then you can run the code immediately after the exercise, and that will import in the function from the solutions file. So you don't have to use your code. You can use the one from the solutions to continue on with the material. All right, so that's it for this video on downloading all of the data.